Okay, so we are going to make a maze. That maze will have 4 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. So everyone will create 6 sprites. These vertical lines will move
Okay.
up and down by 20 steps. Okay, each one of those. Horizontal lines will move left and right by 40 steps. When I say steps, like steps are there, correct? Then
Yeah.
we'll have a mouse, and we will keep a cheese block somewhere over here. Mouse has
Okay.
to go through this particular maze and get to the cheese block. If mouse anytime touches any one of these lines, he will again go back to the starting point.
Okay.
Then we'll have a counter, which will get incremented every 1 second. Okay.
Okay.
Devija, any question?
No, sir. Not yet.
All right, then let's start making it. Okay.
Okay. So do we have a line and sprite?
Now we have to go to paint and start doing it, right? Just cross check. I don't know. We have to just cross check. Do we have any sprite?
We have a sprite named as line. We
Yeah.
used it in the rocket and the ball, that one. Remember?
Okay.
Yeah. So what size should it be?
So this should be, let's make it 50 as such. Okay.
Okay.
50. Okay.
So we will have 2 horizontal sprites. Okay.
So, sir, we can duplicate them into 6.
Yeah.
No, but this is horizontal, right? You want to make it.
So we need
First,
2 horizontal.
Go to the costumes and then we'll say flip horizontally.
or change the direction over here and see what happens.
Okay.
I'm not.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
This sign.
So should we make the vertical lines a bit more smaller?
Let's make it all equal as such. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll have 6 of, like 4 of verticals and 2 of horizontal.
Okay. So
And
we
don't
need to,
don't worry of putting it where you need to put. That has to be decided by a competitor. Okay.
okay. So how many? 4.
4. Yeah.
And one more for the horizontal.
Correct.
So okay.
So
Okay.
please wait for 1 minute.
Okay.
Just changing the size. Yeah, done, sir.
Okay. Then the vertical line will move up and down by 10 steps. Make it 20 steps.
Okay. So sir, can we first name all the sprites so I know which one is vertical and
Yes, let's do
horizontal?
that. Yeah. Let's make H link 1, H line 2, something like that, right? It's easy.
So this is horizontal. Okay. This is vertical. Uh,
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, why does it seem that the one that the one which are horizontal, they are big, and the one which are like flat, or we say which are flat, vertical, they are
No,
like,
they are the same size, right? Because we just duplicated it, correct?
yeah, I know that they're the same size, but
Uh-huh.
it seems to be like the
Or what you can do, you can look at the full screen and then just cross check that.
okay.
And this is horizontal. Which one is horizontal? Earth down. This is okay. So done naming also.
Naming on done. Okay, now let's select the first vertical line.
First vertical line.
Yeah, let's select the first vertical line.
Okay.
And we will code for it. Okay, so we will say change y by 10.
So please wait for 1 minute.
Okay.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, let's go to the first vertical line.
Okay.
Change y by 20. Then wait for 0.5 seconds.
La, la. La, la, la.
Okay.
Then do change y by minus 20.
Change y by -20.
ये तो पाकिस्तानी से इससे चला जाएगा ये यहाँ पर है।
Wait, so the first one is change x or change y?
Y, right? Vertical bars will go up and down, correct?
Oh yeah. I took x. So change
So
Yes, Divija.
I'm not able to find out that why we are saying that change y by 20.
Because I want bars to go up and down. Okay, and put this into a forever loop.
okay.
And now just play it. Yeah, just click on that. Okay, all right.
It's moving.
Okay, and then after change y or minus 20, also put 0.5 second. Okay.
Okay.
It's kind of you have a moving bars. Okay, it's not a static bar. So you have bars which are moving. Can you just click over there in the forever? Okay, and try to place this bar somewhere else, Sagarika.
So we say change y by 20, then wait 0.5 seconds, and then again change y by.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's moving.
Okay. So it is going up and going down or no?
Yeah. So how do we make it slower?
How do we make it?
Change,
Slower.
change the change y by 1.
No, but you want to make it go slow. Then you
A
have to
little slow
then wait for 0.7 second, right?
on both.
Yes, yeah.
We can do for 1 second. That's
1 second would be very easy, right? Then your mouse
Yeah.
can go through very quickly.
okay.
I think
In-
0.5 is good. Okay, we'll see. Okay.
Okay.
No, sir.
Uh-huh.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
So it's going this fast.
That's okay, right? So
Yeah.
Sagarika, can you please click the green flag?
Okay.
Or you can click on that forever loop.
Okay.
I would once.
Right, sir.
Please see my.
Okay.
Yes, like it's going up away from the screen.
so you can drag it drop. You can drag it down, right? That's not a problem. Change y by 20. Wait.
But
Change y by minus 20. It is what is the last one?
it's it was 20. Sorry.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Now just up, down.
Yes.
But it's not moving like that. No, it's not moving between the top one.
You have to
And then
drag it.
you have to drag it down. And this dragging has to be done by your competitor, not by you. You're just coding for it.
Yeah, we'll do it like this.
Yeah.
That is all up to your competitor where they want to place this particular one. Okay.
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 It's just that opening that you're seeing should be enough for rat to pass through.
Okay.
You with me?
Yeah.
Now I only share the screen, or Sagarika will
You
share.
can continue to share. Now let's do the same thing for other vertical bars also. You can just drag and drop for the other vertical bars also.
So the same thing for each and every vertical bar.
Yes. And for the horizontal, we will do change X by 40.
Okay. So how much for the horizontal line?
X by 40. 40. 40. X by 40 and X by minus 40. Okay.
Okay, sir. So like this.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
1 minute, sir. I'm still in the vertical one.
Divija, you have to do it for the second horizontal line also.
Yeah, sorry. Why didn't it came? Oh, it it came here.
Or you can delete that one. Okay.
I'll take. Yes, I'll delete it. Then I'll take. Why is it going over there?
Or just create it. Right? It's much easy to do that. Or do one thing, delete that sprite and then just duplicate it. The code will also come, okay? Because you have done it for the first horizontal line.
Yeah. Wait, I'll do it. I want this one. Oh. I'll do it for this.
Or just delete this sprite, right? And duplicate the other sprite, the horizontal one. Just delete this one.
Duplicate.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so now we all have the coding done for the vertical and horizontal line, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, just for one more horizontal line I have to do.
Okay.
Can we not put that one, the green flag?
No, the green try will put it at the end, right? We still have to code for the mouse, for the cheese and all those, right?
Okay. Okay, sir. So can we move ahead?
I'm
Yeah.
just waiting for, okay, Sagarika, if you can share your screen.
Yeah.
Just 1 second. Yeah. Sir, should we put a green flag above all of them?
Not yet, we'll put it at the end.
Okay.
Divija, how much weight you have given? 0.5 or 0.7?
Sir, till now I have given 0.5, but if we face difficulty, then we'll do it for 0.7, and if then also we'll face difficulty, we'll do it for 1 second.
Okay, but we need to have the same code for everyone, right? Let's do 0.7 for you. Okay.
For me?
Yeah. Everyone should have the same code, okay?
Okay, it's okay. I'll do it 0.7.
Sir, should we put green flag?
Not yet. We'll put it later.
Okay.
Okay. All right. All right. Now add a new sprite, mouse.
Okay.
Sir,
Do you
please.
have? Okay. Let her just search if mouse is there or not.
Yeah. Sure.
You
Yeah.
want mouse is there, and is cheese also there or not? Or cheese we have to make it yellow
I'll
color.
check.
Okay, let's check in food. What we have? We have
Wait,
bread.
wait, let's see.
And then we can put bread if you do not have cheese.
We have cheese puff.
Cheese puffs. Okay, let's put cheese puff. Okay, so now let's add two sprites. Cheese puff and mouse.
Sir, can you please repeat? I was not there. I was making all of them 0.7.
Okay, so we have to select two sprite. One is mouse one, and second one is cheese. So just search for cheese.
should I put something else other than cheese puff?
Which one do you want to put?
Um,
How about bread will work or not?
we can keep an apple
Apple? Okay.
or
Whatever you
donut.
feel like. Okay, donut. Okay.
Have cheese.
Cheesy puff is there.
Yeah, I'll take a strawberry
Okay. All right.
because it moves.
Okay.
What about if we don't take a mice and we take other animal?
You can take monkey also. It's all up to you. The monkey will go and then catch banana. Okay, it's all up to you. But just make sure that your animal is small enough to go through all these things. Okay. So now let's make sure
Sir,
if
even, can I also change that?
yeah. If you don't need it, just change it.
What I'm doing, I am making a cheese.
You're making a cheese. Okay.
So can you wait for some time?
Yeah.
Sorry.
No problem. We will anyhow complete this in next Friday itself, right? Coming Friday, we will have competition.
Sir, I'm taking a dog.
Okay. This is which dog you're taking? There are many dogs, right?
Yeah, I'm taking this
The
one
space
and
dog.
and I'll erase the hat thing.
Okay. But then you have to do it for all the costumes.
Yeah. I'm making it 10. Yeah.
Your sister with you, Divija, or not today?
Yeah, she's here.
Okay. She is also watching.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes playing, sometimes coming here.
Okay.
Now she came here when she listened you.
Okay. All right. So what is her suggestion?
Do you like this game, Tara? I didn't see it.
Okay. After probably 10-15 minutes, she will come to know what this game is all about.
Yeah. We have a mouse and then we have these moving lines. This mouse have to reach the cheese. Okay. It's so easy.
So easy. Let her play, okay? So this time we'll play with her, okay?
Okay.
Did you play it game with your mom or not ever?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay. How about you, Sagarika? You played with your mom any games? But
Yeah.
the games which you are building, not the other games, the ones which you build.
No,
Yeah.
no, not. These not.
No? Okay, these you have not played
Too
with her.
tense with the office work.
Okay.
She's too tense with the office work. No.
Only on Saturday, Sunday then. Okay, next Saturday you can show her.
Saturday also she has the work of home, then office work. She's too tense. She's doing so much for us.
Okay, got it.
Sir, this is
Sagarika,
so
from where
tough.
you learned this? This you're doing very nicely. You learned on your own?
Yeah.
Okay, it require a lot of patience.
It's very easy.
Very easy.
It's easy.
Yeah. It's simple.
It's very bad.
It's very what?
It's very difficult to make this cheese.
Cheese, how you're making it? You have to create a triangle, then in triangle you are creating some circles in between.
Yeah, may I
And,
share my screen?
okay.
Children, you can simply go to the Sprite and we don't have them. Type at search and type on search. You can type cheese. It will. We don't have. Cheese. You don't have. We don't have cheese. Okay. Don't have and Sprite cheese. Cheese is very.
Okay, Divija, waiting for you to share.
Yeah, oh, sorry, sir. I forgot.
No problem.
It is very easy to make.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay, show me your costume. That's a good way, right? So only thing what you need to do, the
You can
circles that you
have
have,
cheese.
the
Now
circles that
we
you
have
have, right?
cheese.
In those
Now
circles,
we
try
have
to fill
cheese.
the white color
Then
thing. In those circle, fill white color,
what's up?
white or black. In the circle as such.
I'm not able to hear you, sir.
The circles that you have within your cheese, okay?
Yeah.
Can you try to fill black color in that?
Yeah. It's easy.
Sir, but whenever I move the dog, the white patch of his helmet is shown.
Is shown.
Yeah.
So it is not getting saved or what?
I didn't get you.
Okay, yes.
Sir, is it looking nice?
Yes,
No.
you just need to now add the boundary to it. Okay, so when I say the
Yeah.
outlines has to be added.
Yeah, I'll add it.
Okay, let Sagarika share the screen.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is how so whenever I put the dog here, it covers.
Yeah, it won't go away because part of that sprite itself.
Yeah. So sir, what size should I keep the dog?
50.
50 will be big.
No, it was 100 before, right? So 50.
Yeah, so it won't fit.
But
I'm doing it 50.
that is something your competitor will place those things, right? The bars, they may place some bars somewhere up also, right?
Yeah. Sir, can I just change the strawberry costume and size?
Okay.
That's right. Sir, I'm done with the cheese.
Okay, very good. All right. So now we have to make the dog move. Okay.
Okay.
Or what is in your case, Divija?
Yeah, I have mouse and the cheese.
You have mouse and the cheese. Okay. So, do you know how to do that or not?
Costumes of strawberry.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now let's do one thing. Let's drag and drop. When up arrow is clicked,
Okay.
so if you go to
When up arrow is clicked. Wait, where?
When dash key pressed.
so go to control. Yeah. Scroll down.
So we are doing it for mouse.
Yeah, we are doing it for mouse. Yeah. When. Yeah. There would be a block by name when, correct?
When?
Yeah, WHEN.
Where, sir? It's not there.
Go in control.
It is in control.
Go to events.
Yes, go to events. We have it on the top.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's drag and drop. When
Okay.
we are saying when up arrow is pressed,
Then up arrow is pressed.
point in direction, drag and drop point in direction,
Okay. Point in direction.
make it 0.
0.
So,
Because we want it to go up, right? Whenever,
Yeah.
then do next costume.
so we have point in direction and motion.
Yes, in motion we have that.
Thank you, sir.
Then go to
Costume.
next costume. Then say move 10 steps.
Okay.
And then wait for 0.1 second.
So in next costume, I have 2 costumes of mouse. One with hands up and one with hands down. So like that.
So you have to use next costumes. It's all up to the program which costume it will pick up. Okay.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
instead of a strawberry, do we have a sprite called bone?
But we can change it later. But let's code for it. Okay. All right. So just want to make sure, Divija, you have done the same coding.
Yeah.
Okay. Then just clone this entire block. Just right click and clone or duplicate this.
Okay.
Let's duplicate.
So
Okay.
Okay. Now say when down arrow is pressed,
Okay.
now duplicate it.
point in direction 180.
180.
When down arrow is pressed, point in direction.
180.
180.
Because we have to change the direction, right? Okay. Then
180.
yeah, 180. You guys have learned directions, 0 degrees, 90 degrees in school so far or no? Okay.
Yeah,
I haven't.
I have learned the angles.
Okay, very good. The same thing that we are doing. Okay, so we are just putting that angles over here. Then again duplicate, Say when right arrow is
Okay.
pressed.
Right arrow.
So
Yes.
now for the down arrow, we'll say minus 10 steps.
Sir, 1 minute.
No, we'll say move 10 only because we have changed the directions, right?
Okay.
In that direction, it will move.
Okay, sir.
Sagarika, you there?
Sir,
Yes.
should we duplicate this again?
When right arrow is pressed, point in direction
Okay.
90.
90.
Okay, because we want to go right, correct?
Yeah.
Now again duplicate.
Okay.
Say when left arrow is pressed, point in direction minus 90. And now test your thing is moving or not moving. Okay.
Okay. It's
Yes.
going up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
How
there's
about-
one costume I don't want.
Okay, then go and delete that.
Yeah.
Minus 9.
Okay.
Is it going
Let's
right
see.
and left?
It's going right.
Okay.
It's not going left because the direction is still the same.
Yeah, so say point in direction minus 90.
Okay. Now it's going upside down.
Upside.
It's going upside down.
Okay, then you have to change in the motion. Go to motion.
Okay.
Just scroll down. There will be
So
something.
mine is fine.
Set rotation style.
Yeah,
Nice
let's try that. Put that over there, point in direction. Yeah. Now
Should
try
it be
your
left,
left.
right?
Yeah, let's try your
Huh?
left arrow. Let's try your left arrow.
So right arrow is okay. Left arrow is okay. Yeah.
So mine is going fine.
Okay. So now we have coded for the dog and mice also, correct? Now
Yeah.
we need to code if it is going to touch these lines, correct? We need to go
Yeah.
back to the starting place. With me?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so this would be the last thing that we'll code today, and then we'll continue on Friday. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll first drag and drop if block, go to
Is
events.
control.
Yeah, sorry, go to control. Oh, sorry, you're
Okay.
right. Go to control, if block, yeah. Then say, go to sensing,
Okay.
drag and if touching color. No,
If touching line.
just go and say color. There are so many sprites we have, right? So remove
Yeah.
that part, remove that part.
Okay.
Say if touching color, yeah. Just drag drop there
Okay.
and click on the color.
It should be
And
red.
now wait. Now select this one, click on this particular thing,
Okay.
and then go and click on the color over here.
Okay.
This, yeah, now very good. Okay.
Okay.
Divya, you know how to select color now?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So if we are touching the color, okay, then we have to say ouch.
Out.
Say ouch.
Yes. Or what do you want to say if you're touching color?
Yeah, ouch is nice.
Okay, all right. Or you'll say, oh, mummy. But whatever you want to say, okay?
Or we can put a bark sound.
Okay, put a bark sound. So which
Okay.
whatever you feel like, okay? For the time being, do you have a bark sound?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, then put that sound over there. If touching, then sound is there, correct?
Yeah.
Oh, mommy. You'll not say you are putting the bark sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, because she has dog, right?
Yeah.
Okay. After that, put a glide.
Glide.
Yeah, put glide.
Which one?
Glide 1 second to X and Y, right? So,
Okay.
and say glide 1 second to X minus 190, Y minus 130.
So x minus 190,
Y minus 120.
120. Okay.
After that, put a say block.
A say block.
Let's go back to looks. Say block, first one. Say,
Try again.
I will keep on trying since I am hungry. Okay, all right, something like that.
Try till you succeed.
Okay, try till you succeed. Yeah.
Or
Please
we can do try till you don't starve again.
okay, whatever you feel like. Okay, all right, just say that.
We'll say it in the if block.
In the if block, yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Then put one more if block below this.
If block. Okay. Okay.
Go back to your sensing.
Okay.
So you say if touching strawberry you have, right? The first one
Yeah.
you will pick. Yeah. Now if it is touching strawberry,
If it is touching
Which was
Wait.
yours? What's the name of that?
I think it's strawberry. Correct. It's strawberry. Yeah.
Okay, just find that in the pick list.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. At the end.
Okay. Then you will have a yummy, like say yummy. Okay, because he is now going to eat it, correct?
Yeah.
So you can have a say block.
The first one.
We'll do the first one, yeah.
Okay.
Say yummy, and you will then say I won. Okay.
Okay. Wait. Okay.
Now put this entire thing in a forever block.
Okay. Yeah.
And on top of it, put show block.
Here on the top.
Yeah, top of for forever, yes. Put show block.
Okay. Okay.
And put a green flag. Now let's put green flag on everything. Let me go to Divija's screen. Divija?
Yes, sir.
Sagarika, just put green flag on other sprites also.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if touching red color, and color you choose it from there, right? Say, ouch, it hurts. Very good. That glide minus, okay, 1 second to this. Say, I'll try again. If touching sprite, okay. Okay. Okay, now put this entire thing in a forever.
Yeah, yes. So I'm writing it.
Yeah, take your own time. Okay. Sagarika, meanwhile, just save it also, okay? Whatever work you have
Okay.
done. And just, okay, now put this into forever block.
Okay, sir.
A show block, put a show block above the forever block. No, before for forever, because we want to start by showing the mouse, okay?
Uh-huh. Done, sir.
Okay, put a green flag on top of it. And
Done.
put a green flag on all of your sprites.
We don't have anything for cheese, no?
Nothing for cheese.
Okay.
Okay.
Sagarika, it is
Now,
working for you. Can you just see if you touch it, then something happens?
yeah. Wait. Okay. This is scary. Oh,
Done, sir.
Okay, now let's go full screen.
sir, we have to go. We need the stick to go a little slower.
Okay, so
So
let
may
her
I
first.
start?
Yeah, please start it. But how will you go? Okay, there is a small opening there. Okay, it's not an easy. It will take. Okay, ouch, it hurts. Ah, okay, I'll try again. Okay, good. It is working. Now show me yours. Oh, this is shortcut she is taking now, huh? Oh, no. Okay, let's try again. No. Okay, let her try now. Sagarika, just show me yours.
Yeah.
But these bars are something which your competitor are going to place in the next class. Okay,
Okay.
just show me. Devija, you should save your work. We'll also add counter. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Let's go full screen and watch.
Okay. So they're moving.
Okay. So move your dog. Okay, your dog is going up.
I'm wagging my tail.
Okay. Oh.
No.
Okay. So you guys need to practice. Okay. So we have completed almost 80% of our game. All right. So only thing pending is adding a timer, and then we will play it on the next Friday. Okay. If
Okay.
you want to add some backdraw or something, we can do that also. But you guys got the idea, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
We
Devija,
can also
anything?
give lives, you know.
Yes, we can do it, and also we can have many levels. Okay, we can make it complicated. We can keep on adding more
Yeah.
moving parts. Okay, but let's first do simple things. Okay,
Okay.
but please save it. We'll talk again on Friday. Okay,
Okay.
and anything else, Devija?
So not yet. I'm reaching the ending.
You have
Yeah,
reached the end. Show
please.
me.
Yay!
Oh,
I won.
show me. But now you have
Yes.
to do it again, correct?
Okay, I'll do it.
Even I'll try.
Yeah, just try it, but
Okay.
just also have a look how she's reaching it. Okay, so you have to place those things over there. Oh, you've reached. Yummy, I won. Okay, very good. And what was the path you took?
We have not done one thing. That
Uh-huh.
when the game starts, it again has to go to the original position.
Okay, got it. That code we have to do it, right? That should be at the very start.
So till for the time I am doing like this only.
Okay, so okay, you're not taking the shortcut.
So let's do it properly.
Oh,
Sir? Sir?
okay. Yes.
I actually really need to remove that helmet because whenever I try going, none of
Uh-huh.
the body parts are touching,
Uh-huh.
except the deleted part is the only thing that's
Okay,
touching.
and that is something you cannot see it, correct?
Yeah,
So
and it's really tough to do without seeing.
okay, then let's do one thing. Let's choose another sprite instead of that.
Okay.
Okay, but plus first just select a sprite, code for it, and then delete that particular sprite. Okay, the dog sprite.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now let's see what she is doing. Oh, I think so. When we started this game, you guys were thinking why we are moving these lines, correct?
Deja, be confident and
Who is doing this? Divija, or
for the timing I am doing.
you are doing? Okay. Your sister is not helping.
So,
Oh,
the last ending.
now it is easy. Okay, very nice. Okay, very good. Okay, so we'll talk next time. Okay, all right, but save your work and we will improve on this. Okay,
Yes,
Okay.
thank you, sir.
bye
Thank you,
everyone.
sir. Bye.
Bye.
So that was an interesting game.
Oh, thank you very much. And you won also? Where is she? I can see, I cannot see her. Hello. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.